उनसे उम्मीद रखता हूँ कि वो मेरे संस्थान में आए। बच्चों के भविष्य निर्माण के लिए 3 लोगों का अहम रोल है। पहला मेरा, दूसरा मेरे सभी शिक्षकों का, तीसरा सारे अभिभावकों का। अतः आप मेरे इस सिस्टम के, इस परिवार के आप अहम सदस्य हैं। आपके बिना यह उद्देश्य पूरा नहीं हो सकता। अतः आप संस्थान द्वारा जब भी मीटिंग आयोजित की जाएगी, सूचना दिया जाएगा, तो आप यहाँ अपना कीमती समय निकाल करके आए। इसके लिए पूरा संस्थान, पूरा GCC परिवार आपका आभारी रहेगा और आपके सहयोग से हम संस्थान में आपके बच्चों के लिए जो जो जरूरी चीजें हैं सब कुछ, और सारे बच्चों के लिए जो भी सुरक्षा की दृष्टि से, अनुशासन की दृष्टि से सारा कार्य तेजी से, शीघ्रता से संपूर्ण किया जाएगा। लास्ट में आप आए हैं, इसके लिए मैं हृदय तल से आपका आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ।
On behalf of all our faculty, staff and students, welcome to Government Engineering College, Siwan. Indian education aspires to develop and transform its youth in terms of values and truthful citizens who serve society. For this, a great blend of technology and capacity building is required. The college vision is to create a unique and futuristic space of knowledge for the finest human being. Our program prepares our students to become leaders with the moral depth and intellectual intensity necessary to meet the critical transition in society. The college offers unique opportunities for the student to engage with the industry. We are building strong industry collaboration and partnerships. This partnership and collaboration will help in research opportunity and attention. I wish you a great learning experience. Thank you.
name is Navdeep Pandey. I am a faculty of Mechanical Engineering Department. At the same time, I am also holding a position as a Training and Placement Officer at the Government Engineering College Siwan. So first of all, I would like to welcome all the parents on behalf of GEC Siwan family. Now we at Training and Placement Cell, we have a total 6 faculty members as a faculty members who currently from different departments and continuously working for the betterment or the career development of the students. We also have dedicated student coordinator teams who also works with us for any conduct, if we want to conduct any or organize any placement activities or say workshops or personality development classes, etc. So within this small span of time, we have achieved a great success since the inception of the college is very new. In 2018, it is established. So under the guidance of our principal, sir, Dr. Rasul Khan Singh, we have traveled a long distance. Also, as far as the parent-faculty meeting is concerned, I would like to share my thoughts. Like, we know that parents and the students are the major stakeholder of any engineering college. We strongly believe that. And we would like to have a greater communication with students as well as with their parents so that we can have a basic idea about their expectation from the college. So if we have the idea or we know about their expectation, we can aspire for the fulfillment of the same. So with that, thanks a lot. Once again, I welcome you all on behalf of our GCC1 family. Thank you.